Hi, I wanted to share the step two workshop that I had done over the phone a couple of years ago. It was so helpful. So get out your pen and the paper, and here we go. The instructions here are, this is my first caregiver, is what we're looking at. First of all, write honestly. There are no right or wrong answers. The only answers you have are the ones that you remember. This is not a test. It's just your remembrances. Stay with your own experience as much as possible and just jot down your first thought and don't overthink things. Who is your first caregiver? Could be your mom, dad, grandma, foster parent, sibling, or another important person that was involved in your care. For me, I wrote down my mom and my older sister because I was sure that my older sister had a hand in my upbringing. And for an early or a prominent memory, what memory comes to mind when you think of that person? And if you've listed two, put down like the first memory you have of them. And it doesn't matter if you're 2 or 8 years old, just whatever comes to mind at the top of the heap, and just jot that down. And your ideas about God. What are your ideas about God? And what is God like to you? Do you have nagging suspicions or outright judgments about who God is? I know I really did, and I wrote down quite a few things that I was really fearful of God. And don't judge your answers. This is just to help you to find a higher power. This is step two. Are there similarities between the your earliest caregiver and your ideas about God? If there are, that would really make perfect sense because the next slide is going to explain why. Our very first idea of God or who God is comes long before we have religious instruction. The person who carried us around, changed us, stared into our eyes, fed us, responded when we cried, ignored us when we cried, got angry when we cried, held us when we needed comfort, or ignored us when we needed comfort. They must be God because we have no idea of the world around us. And that person to us is God. The manner in which that person treated us is our first impression of God. We had no language. We had no reasoning or logic. We had no tools but our emotions to guide us. We were an open book. We have no memory but the feelings we got from our interactions with them. Their mark as our first their mark is our first impression of God. Your personal God. If God could be any way you wanted, what would he be like for you? And this is a free writing exercise, and there are no limits and no boundaries. You can ask God to be any way you need him to be. And you can come back to write these out more if you'd like. And here's the next slide. It was after that I received religious instruction, and it didn't match my imprinted feelings about God. I could never explain it or understand why. It was like DOS. idea of God had been installed first, and no amount of later instruction could overwrite the original program. It was so deep. It was like I had been imprinted like a duck. They just keep following their first impression of mother instinctively with no ability to reason.